Alright, time to take a look at number 2. Which numbers below round to 238 when rounded to the nearest tenths position? So, let's take a look at our first number, 238 and 96 thousandths. Well, in class I would ask you, can you identify where the tenths position is? And if you said here, at the 0, you are correct. So, now we're going to draw a tiny little arrow to this 9 right next to it. The 9 is going to tell us to bump the number up or keep it and drop it low. So, 238.096. Let's take a look. If I'm looking here at the 0 and I look to the 9 is higher than 5. It's 5 and higher, so we are actually going to bump the 0 and promote it to the next number up, which would be a 1. So 238 and 1/10 is not 238. So this one does not work. Let's go down below. 238 and 26 thousandths. Let's take a look at this 0. And now look to the 2. Is 2 5 or lower? It is. So let's rewrite our number. The 2 is going to tell us to make everything else a 0 afterwards and bump it down. So 238,000 is the same as 238, which is what we're looking for. So yes, we're going to circle this number. 237 and 986 thousandths. Well, let's take a look at the tens and then look to the next hundreds place. This 8 tells me that I'm going to bump this number up. So, if I have 237 and 986 thousandths, and I look here and it tells me to bump this number up, what would 9 bump up to? Yeah, a 10. So, it's actually going to bump up to 238 and make these all zeros afterward. Okay? The next one, 237 and 938 thousandths. Let's look to the 9, because that's our tenths place, and then to the 3. The 3 tells us to keep it low, so 237.900. So nope, not 238. Okay, we are down to our last 2. 238 and 942 thousandths. So let's look to the 9 and then to the 4. Does the 4 tell us to bump up or keep it low? Right, 4 is 4 and below, or 5 and below, so yes, we are going to keep it the same. So it would just be 238.9. Okay. And our last one, 237 and 961 thousandths. Let's look to the 9 and then to the 6. What does the 6 tell the 9 to do? If you said bump it up, you are correct, which would bump us up to 238. Very good.